had a resident bring in the mailbox door off of the mailbox. I'm going to go over to the box. It's a cluster box. It's got like 16 doors in these boxes, and assess what the issue is. We'll probably have to re-hinge this door. So let's head over to that cluster box and see what's going on with that. Alright, here's the cluster box I was talking about. Yep, there's the missing door. So what happens is that pin that holds that door comes all the way through the top and goes down through all 4 of these doors. So what we're going to have to do is take this outside cover off of this box. Take this cover off, and then we can expose the pin that goes into this door, and it kind of looks like we may have to replace the pin all the way down because it's broke off right there. I don't know if that's coming through or not. Alright, well, we'll go ahead and get this outer cover off and get started. Well, it looks like after further inspection, all we'll have to do is just take off this top. We'll just drill out 4 rivets on this side and on the other side and pull the top off, then we can locate the hinge pins. We got the top off. This is the hinge pin that's supposed to go all the way down, but it's broke off in here. So we're going to go ahead and pull this out. So what I bought is a brass rod at Lowe's. I think it's a 1/4 inch brass rod. If you can't find any brass rod, a 1/4 inch threaded rod will do. It's just a little bit harder. And we'll slip this down. You get this in at about a 3-foot piece. Now you can see my brass rod. I've gone through the upper door. Now I'm coming in the bottom, the second door. So now I can slip my second door in place. Here's the inside of my second door. Slide it down to where it just touches the hole right there. And I've just repinned that. Now I'll go ahead and cut this rod off. Go ahead and tap it down just a little bit, little hammer time, just to lock it in. Now, go ahead and put the mailbox lock back on the door. All right, now we're ready to put that top back in place, and this job is done. All right, now all we got to do is go ahead and rivet the 4 holes on each side. So we got 8 to do. I won't bore you with all 8. I'll go ahead and get the rivet gun set up. Make sure that you got the right rivet for the right job. Just like that. secure. Now 7 more to go. See you at the end. All right, we got all 8 rivets in. Let's pull this out. Yeah. All 8 in. Door's nice and secure. Die. Hey.